Like, subscribe, and get notified.
In part 1 of our series on diabetes, Herald TV explained what diabetes is and how to detect it. In part 2 of this series, Dr. Rock Weissman Pinto, Professor of Pathology, tell us the complications resulting from diabetes and how to prevent it. Listen in.
Now, diabetes mellitus can lead to a lot of complications, and these complications have to be prevented and avoided. So it is based on the sugar, blood glucose, and also on the HbA1c. Now, which are the complications? First is the eyes. On the eyes, you can get glaucoma, you can get cataract, and you can get retinal vascularization. So that is eyes. So you have to go to an eye checkup to an ophthalmologist. Number 2, on the heart, you can get myocardial infarction, atherosclerosis. And these myocardial infarction and diabetes is silent, there is no pain. In the brain, you can get hemorrhage, you can get thrombosis, you can get stroke, you can get dementia. Then lungs can also mature early and they can, age earlier. There can be pneumonia because there can be infections. And so after that is the most important, kidneys. 1/3 patients have kidney failure. So it should be prevented. So you have to do urine examination for microalbuminuria, and also you have to do the urea creatinine kidney function test. Liver also you have to do liver function test. Then the other complication, patients can get gangrene of the legs. So the foot care is very, very important to see that there is no ulcer or erosion or any infection on the legs. Many times you cannot see the back of the legs. So the nursing attendants or the attendants who are looking after the people should see very carefully and do good foot care, foot dressing, cleaning, cutting of the nails and treating infection, because otherwise it leads to amputation. In Goa, one amputation is done almost every day in Goa Medical College. So you can see in a month 30 amputations or 40. That means it should be prevented. It is easily prevented. And it is a dangerous thing. So that is amputation legs. And also sexual impotence may be there, or sexual aberrations in diabetes. Or the females can have dry vagina. So again, sexual problem. So diabetes is actually a multi-system, multi-organ disease. It affects small blood vessels, large blood vessels, and also the nerves. And why this complication take place? Because glucose, there are the end products. These end products are called glycation products, advanced glycation end products. They interact or react with the receptors called as RAGE. These receptors are there on the macrophages, on cells of the body, endothelium, and smooth muscle of the blood vessels. So that is why you get all these complications. We have to see and prevent these complications. If the glycosylated hemoglobin is very high, more than 10, the patient is very likely to have complications. So we have to see that the sugar is brought under control and the glycosylated hemoglobin is brought under control. And with all these good measures like adequate nutrition, water, exercise, good lifestyle, sleep, and relaxing, no smoking, no drinking, no alcohol, no alcohol, no narcotics. And if you do this, and good family life, social, good. It is the studies which are done, in Harvard, 85-year study by psychiatry professor. He says that the single most important factor for happiness, good life, over 85 years, over not only families but their children, etc. The single most important factor is your partner or your spouse. You have to have good relations. You may fight with them, but when you go at night, you all sleep peacefully, get up peacefully. So that is the single most important factor. It's not your money, not your fame. It is the single. So all these, and there are certain areas. The best diet is said to be Mediterranean diet. Mediterranean diet is in the Mediterranean, Italy, Greece. There are these people who are called blue zones, certain areas, which eat a lot of leafy vegetables, fruits, from their garden, and there are no insecticide, pesticides. Also, they drink lot of water, they move around, they are very active, and they are socially active. There are grandparents, parents and children all living together, eating together, and socially active, and also walking. They are very calm, peaceful, not very ambitious, and they are very happy with life. And they live up to 90s, and there are many people up to 100. Other scientists are studying what is their lifespan, what is their lifestyle, to follow it in other parts of the world. So Goa has got very high diabetes, 26%, 25%. That means 1 out of 4 that is having diabetes. So we have to take care, we have to take precautions to prevent it and control it. Goa Medical College has endocrinology department where there is Dr. Ankush Desai is the professor head. He's passed from AIMS, he's my student, and he has got 2 more young assistant professors who have Dr. Anna Soraya and Dr. Rukma, who have passed from Kerala and Orissa, and they are all super specialists. They are specialists in endocrinology. So to prevent diabetes or to pre-diabetes to diabetes or to reverse diabetes, there are certain guidelines you have to follow. First is diet. The diet should be a healthy diet. Lot of fruits and vegetables. 50% of your plate should have vegetables, fruits, different types of green leafy vegetables which you get in your local source. Second, there should be some seeds, nuts and pulses, and also protein. It is and very little amount of carbohydrate. So this is the principles of a good balanced diet with vitamins and minerals. Now, in addition to the diet, you should do exercise. Very important to do exercise every day, either running or walking or cycling or swimming. And it is said that 150 minutes of exercise per week, moderate exercise, is good. Third, you should have a very good sleep. Fourth, you should have be calm and cool. And fifth, drink lot of water. No smoking, no drinking, no aerated drinks, no sugary drinks, no fast foods, stored foods. All this should be avoided. So you should lead a very good life, a very calm, peaceful and sedentary life. In addition, you should go to the doctor and get tested and very tested for sugar, for your glucose, for urine and other blood tests to prevent complications like kidney function test, liver function test and eye examination. So these also should be done. You have to go to a physician or to a doctor or a physician and you have to do the blood test. In addition, ECG, chest X-ray. So a good lifestyle, a very calm, peaceful life with good sleep, lot of water and exercise and a good diet will help you to prevent diabetes or to reverse diabetes.